name?
Hi, I'm John Erickson.
Awesome. Whenever you're ready.
Gonna be late. So, I'm a worrier. I worry whether it's gonna rain. I worry that when it does, I'm gonna miss the rainbow. I worry that the kennel's gonna starve my dog when I'm gone. Shoot, if I had anything but AT&T, I'd worry about my phone company. Actually, AT&T is one of the few things experiences taught me not to worry about. For someone like me, it's a miracle, like a dream come true.
So what's so good about this is you're so laid back. So I want you to really.
Do you worry?
No, I don't. I actually want you to be so laid back, and I just want to see what happens.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh man, we'll get there when we get there. I'm a worrier. Yeah, I worry whether it's gonna rain. I worry that when it does, I'm gonna miss the rainbow. I worry that when I'm away, the kennel's gonna starve my dog.
A little louder.
If I had anything but AT&T, I'd worry about my phone company. Actually, AT&T is one of the few experiences that has taught me not to worry about anything. And for someone like me, it's a miracle. Like seeing a double rainbow.
All right, now I do want you to be a little neurotic.
All right.
I'm sure there's a time in your life where you were out of your skin, yeah? Ever?
Yeah.
Maybe? Here we
Yeah,
go.
yeah. No,
All right.
seriously, like, it's gonna get done. Yeah, so I'm a worrier, right? I worry whether it's gonna rain. I worry that when it does, I'm gonna miss the rainbow.
Good, now,
And the
if
pot
you
of
do,
gold.
so just, sorry.
And
So, if you do change up something like that, that's just like a button. Second time, you gotta change it again.
oh, I gotta change everything. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
cool.
Otherwise, it's like, did they rewrite the copy?
Gotcha. Okay.
You have to consider that improv,
Sure.
and then the second time you do it, you gotta twist it again.
All right.
All right?
Sure.
Okay, here we go, Mr. Worrier. What's wrong with you?
I know. I'm a worrier. I worry whether it's gonna rain. And I worry that when it does, I'm gonna slip and fall. God, I worry that when I go away, the kennel's gonna starve my dog. Oh, man. If I had anything but AT&T, I worry about my phone company.
Louder.
Actually, AT&T is one of the few things that experiences taught me not to worry about. And for someone like me, well, that's a miracle. And it's a miracle if you actually call me when you get home safely.
Okay, good. Careful of whispering so much. Careful.
That's my worry voice.